In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious breakfast sushi recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 5 eggs, 6 slices of ham, 12 slices of cheese, cucumbers sliced, red peppers sliced, 1 tablespoon of butter, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and half a cup of milk. To the eggs, add the salt and the pepper. We're going to beat this until it's completely smooth. Now we're going to add in the milk and continue whisking. In a pan over heat, we're going to add the butter and melt completely. Once melted, we're going to add in half a cup of our egg mixture and spread it around evenly. We're going to cook it thoroughly, and once finished cooking, we're going to take it out onto a plate. In the center of our egg sheet, we're going to add in the ham, cheese, cucumbers, and peppers. And we're going to roll up as tightly as possible. Once our egg rolls are complete, we're going to cut them into 1-inch pieces. Our breakfast sushi is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.